Welcome to 229 Torrey Crescent in Terwillegar Gardens in the Sought After neighborhood. This executive home features high ceilings and a nice open concept. There is a full bedroom on the main floor, which is perfect for extended families. It's close to shopping. Has hardwood on the main floor, maple cabinetry, upgraded with stainless steel appliances, granite throughout, including the bathrooms. It has a large dining space, has been professionally landscaped. Great walk-through pantry, triple car garage, granite throughout, two-piece bathroom on the main. Everything has been fully upgraded for you and is move-in ready. Basement is fully finished with 9-foot high ceilings. New carpet throughout the upstairs. Bright and airy. Master bedroom has a feature wall with solid stone, a walk-in closet, and there is a 5-piece bathroom with granite and a huge soaker tub. Open concept. There is a stone feature wall on the main floor. And a gas fireplace. Two additional bedrooms upstairs here. And a full 4-piece bathroom. Bright and airy. Walk-in closet, linen closet, professionally painted. Terwillegar Gardens is close to shopping, has great schools, and is a sought-after neighborhood. There's nice walking trails throughout. It does have a den, official dining room, or office space off the front door. Check out this fully finished basement. With a bar and 2 additional bedrooms down here. Full 3-piece bathroom, fully renovated. High 9-foot high ceilings. And big rumpus room. Great place for exercise room or games room. And an additional bedroom, making that 5 bedrooms in total. Built-in cabinetry and a big storage area. Add to this the triple car garage and the location. This is a great home for everyone.